You need to read the books. You need to tell your friends, you know what, you're not going to be there tomorrow for me if I'm not going to be here for myself today. So you have to tell them. Tell the people who are taking you as a joke in life, I can't waste my life with you. This is my life and I respect it. And I have that self-esteem that I will not be taken for granted or as garbage or as trash on the basis of my country and on the basis of my religion and on the basis of being a human. Taken as a waste when I'm 20, 30, 35, 40 or 40 or 40, 50. I cannot be, how can you face yourself if people ask you, what did you do with this life of yours? क्या किया आपने जिंदगी के साथ? How will you face these questions sitting with a professional in life? And you know what I see today in this world is, people have fake rationals, batil dalail, telling themselves, ye nahi ho sakta tha, wo nahi ho sakta tha, this couldn't happen, this could. Don't do that. That's lame and that's literally disrespecting the potential God has given you. If you haven't pulled it off properly, I tell those people as well, if you wasted it, have the heart to accept you messed it up. You ruined it all. And people excelled and nations excelled in front of us, seen in these decades, because we weren't serious with what we need to do in our lives with ourselves and the resources God has given us. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will keep opening opportunities in front of you. If you decide to say, this is what I am, this is what I want to be. You want to go to Harvard, you want to go to Stanford, you want to go to Yale, you want to go to the Ivy League universities in US, there is nothing wrong in dreaming it. If people are telling you, you are going to go, and the first one is the one within you, your own heart won't accept it. Because in life, our heart gets intimidated by the world telling us around. And inna nafsa la amaratun bisu. The worst of the perceptions and the worst of the callings and whispering comes from within you. That will not let you be serious in life. That will not let you take yourself as precious gifts of God to be actualized. Your heart would say, let's go and have fun. Let's waste money. Let's talk gossips. Let's waste time and resources because it's fun. The masti and all that sort of stuff. But then there are those few, and that's the reason why some of you, among you, after 10, 20 years will be miles yard ahead because he wasn't wasting life. He wanted to be something really meaningful. आज काम करेगा बेटा, कल रूल करेगा. आज जाया करेगा, कल गुलामी करेगा. And that's what's the destiny. That's what turning out to be the destiny of our people. We were the masters of a lot of academics. There is no doubt that a genius man can be born in any ethnicity, in any color, in any race.